I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. Welcome back. Again, I've been very busy this week. A lot of stuff going on. So again, doing a quick recap of weekly trades and ones that I'm looking for next week. So before we get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my future videos. And make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So 6 out of 8 winners this week. You know, it's been a choppy week. Markets were up and down. I was looking for more of a pullback in the markets. And then we had that Turkey issues that came up, China tariffs, all of that went into play. But again, markets ended very strong, very close to all-time highs again, which is what concerns me, and I'll show you why on the chart soon. But we had MU that was called out, Visa, SPY, that was a gamble play. Bank of America, I bought it on the low and then sold it at the top. That was a quick swing trade. And MA was a big winner that I had this week, and I'll show you that soon. TQQQ, that was a choppy one. We'll get into that on the charts. And the two losers were SPY and MU. And MU should have been a winner, but again, pattern trade, day trading rule got me good again. Couldn't sell on the day. You know, it's a solid trade. I alerted profit taking for anybody who had that day trade available, but next day it just dropped, so I sold it for a loss. So again, I could have sold it in the day, but I couldn't because of a day trading rule. But I'll get into that later. All right, let's go ahead and jump into those. So the biggest win that I had this week was with MA. That was only 5%, not even, and I had 4 calls that averaged down on when the markets went down, and boom, next day markets went up. So this one was a nice winner on that one. And next one was, I like the we had MU call and Visa call that I traded. That was earlier in the week. And SPY, this was a gamble trade. That was 31% profit. I only had one of those. And MU, so Visa was a nice one, 16% profit. That was from Friday, sold on Monday. MU also, that was 5%. So smaller winners like these really add up. The big loss that I had was MU. You know, I had 3 contracts on that. So again, took away and ended the week in the red, but made it back with MA and TQQQ that I had. So this was a small profit. This actually went down in the day, came back up. So glad I held. I had 10 contracts, so very, very big trade. I sold 7 to break even, and then held 3, and then went up. And markets kept going up on Friday, which is pretty crazy, which we'll get into right now. Let's go ahead and look at the charts. So this is Friday. This is what Friday looked like on SPY. This is S&P 500. So boom, it went up right here. You know, I picked up TQQQ at closer to the morning, about 9:45, 10. Markets went down. I held through. You know, saw the triple bottom on the top. Was looking for a bounce. So I played it off the charts, not off emotions. You know, it was down. Yeah, of course it's frustrating, but you have to play by the charts. See where it's oversold. See the previous supports, and see where it's going to bounce off. So boom, it went up. So this is a TQQQ chart. So triple bottom, and then went up. And then made a nice move. I sold it right here, and then saw it falling off right here, and then I got a sell alert. I was looking at all my charts, you know, got the sell alert, so I sold around here, and then got a sell alert, and bam, went down. So I thought markets were going to sell off. It's a Friday, you know, it's usual sell off. You know, played it perfectly. And what happened? Markets went up. So let's go ahead and S&P 500. Boom, markets went up right here. So pretty crazy move. Not sure if it's just going to be a pump and dump, shorts loading up, or what's going on. But you know, markets went up 285.56, only point away from all-time highs. So that's what really scares me. So let's go ahead into the recent 30-day. We had markets trying to test that 286. And all-time highs are at 286.63. So we're only about a point away on that from SPY. So, you know, we're seeing that bounce off 50 SMA recently. Before it was 200 SMA. So, you know, close to that bounce. It didn't break below 280, and I'll bounce back up. So I'm expecting a big market pullback coming up soon, within a couple months, or maybe towards the end of the year or beginning of 2019. So I'm treading very lightly, being careful, not going into too big on the investment. I want to wait for market drop. But what I'm waiting for right now is BABA. So this one has been getting killed back and forth. It's been breaking the supports, but it's found support at that 165. So if you zoom in right here at the recent pattern, let's go into the 30-day. So it's found support nicely at 165, didn't break below, bouncing back up. So Friday saw a huge buy volume come in as earnings are coming up. BABA earnings are 823. So that's going to be in about 5 days. So next Thursday our earnings, and saw a big buy volume here, boom, made that jump all the way, tested the lows again, and made that nice jump up. So about from the lows, about 5 to 6 point move. So it's a very nice, if you caught it on the low, loading up for the earnings, very nice movement. So it's been going up in the after hours. You can see a big green candle going up as well. So that's what I'm watching for next week. Might not play it as it ran up. If it makes another drop to below 170, I might pick up 10, 20, 30 shares as a gamble for the earnings. But let's see how that plays out. Next thing I'm watching is MU. Again, this one has been on a downtrend. So looking at 45 support, I want to see that break out above 50 again to pick it up. And next thing, I'm just looking to play Visa and MA. MA is more sold off than Visa. Visa's closer to the all-time highs. So I'm looking at MA. Looks like a lot better buy for me. And last thing, looking at BAC. These are ones that I usually call out in the chat room. These are solid trades. So I've been trading them back and forth for consistent profits. So that's why I like to look at these when markets are choppy and not sure how markets are going to go. I'm only trading the solid ones, not too many of the momentum ones that I usually play. So BAC, had that nice move, jump off the low, and banks got hit again, tested 30, support didn't break it. So very nice moves so far. So those are the ones that I'm looking at right now for next week and towards the end of the August. And let's see how markets play out, but I'm expecting a big pullback on the entire markets, so I'm waiting for the market drop. Alright guys, if this helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. And if you want to receive live trading alerts, this is how I call them out. We have I alert when I buy them, the entry, exit, and along with the limit entry price, all of that. We have then the swing trading alerts as well, entry, exit, stop loss, what I'm looking for. If you want to receive live alerts like this and join a big trading chat room, we have a positive chat room. Make sure to head over to pinnacletrading.us. You can grab a 1-week free trial at no cost. Scroll down, click that join now button, and it'll take you over to Discord. Or if you want to join the membership immediately, go to the membership tab, and we have simple month-to-month plan pricing, and we recently rolled out new 6 and 12-month plan pricing, which saves you money in the long run. But if you want to just check it out, grab that 1-week free trial, and then test out doing a month-to-month plan, which has no contract, nothing at all. Alright guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell button to stay notified, and I'll see you guys again next week.